about oligopoly and profit maximization. So introduction towards it. Oligopoly is basically a very important market where market structure is dominated by a few sellers. In the real world, the examples are telecom companies, software, drinks, automobiles and airlines. Meaning of oligopoly. An oligopoly market is a situation where a few large sellers are dominating the industry. For example, in India, Jio, Airtel, Vi are in a oligopoly market. The features of oligopoly market are few sellers. There is a very limited number of sellers in the market who are dominating it. Interdependence. Firms closely watch each other's pricing and output decision. For example, Jio, if they increase or decrease the price, so will the other competitors. Barriers to entry. The very few dominant firms make a barrier in the market so that the other competitors cannot enter it very easily, and it is also due to high cost. The fourth one is non-pricing competition. This is based on branding, advertising and quality. For example, Coca-Cola and Pepsi are doing this. They are focused on advertising and based on it they grow their market. Price rigidity. Since there is very limited firms who are dominating, they decide a cost in general and follow it, and that makes it rigid. So profit maximization in oligopoly is based on marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, which is followed in all the markets, but in oligopoly it is followed as per one additional unit's revenue is equal to one the marginal cost. This is also because of the interdependence of the leading firms. That is price leadership. If one sets the price, the others have to follow. Like how Jio is doing right now. If Jio decides a price, the other competitors do follow it. If it increases, it follows. Even if it decreases, they follow. Non-price competitors like advertising, branding, this is done in Pepsi and Coke. For example, I have already explained that is in India it's Jio, Airtel and all, and internationally we can see Coca-Cola and Pepsi doing this in the market. Conclusion. So I would give a brief conclusion about this topic, that is oligopoly is a market where there are very few competitors in the market, and this is based on MR is equal to MC. The advantages of this is that they are interdependent, there is price rigidity, and not everyone can easily enter the market.